Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is rebounding a little bit on the downward support that we had identified here. So this is the downward channel Tesla is in. Each time we are touching this, we are going away afterwards. We are going away. And sometimes we go a little bit further, but then we go away. So now we touched it on Friday, and now we are going away. Right now, we have this close resistance that we cannot seem to be able to cross. So today we are up $11, 1.66%, closed at 674.90. Post-market, we are down by 82 cents. As I just said, we have a hard time breaking outside of this downward resistance here, and we have a few to go through. We have the second one here, and we have a third one here. We are slowly going towards this downward resistance, but we are really going sideways right here. We have a longer wick at the bottom and a shorter wick at the top. So it seems like the buyers are taking back control at these levels. And the low of Friday is at 633. And this is something I want to keep track of. So right now we broke outside on Friday and now we are back inside. But we are not very high. We still have this big resistance right here at 694, at 695.46. We still have this big resistance also. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand. So last Friday, we finished right here. So today we came back down and retested the downward support right here. Second hour was a little bit better. But basically, it's just a sideways thing. It's just a sideways thing, and we don't even have stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. We don't see any impulse yet that the stock wants to move higher. Going back on the daily chart, it's still super low at 11. Everything else is really bad in terms of indicators. Let's just observe and see if Tesla can go and break this downward resistance right here. This is the only thing that we can do so far. If it starts breaking that downward resistance, then we can start thinking about maybe the stock is going to start moving back up again. But so far, we could go sideways for a couple of days easily. And then if we break 633 again, then it could mean that we are going to go another round and retest the same downward resistance again. So this one can be extended as long as we need to. If it is extended, then if we go sideways like this and then break 633, then we can be moving down to that support line again. And this could mean that we could go below $600. There's a fairly decent support at 650 at 561. So 561, I'm sorry to say, but if we break 633, we could be going down to 561. Or if the stock is stronger, 626 is in the realm of possibilities also. Let's go look at the VIX briefly. So VIX is coming down a little bit, stochastic below 60. So things should be moving down. This should help Tesla move back up a little bit, or at least go sideways. Dow Jones is also in this big downward channel right here. Also a smaller downward channel right here. We are close to getting back into it right here. So Dow Jones bounced a little bit. S&P 500 also bounce. NASDAQ Composite, I would call it more a sideways move, and NASDAQ 100 also a sideways move, but everything is still in a downward channel. In the short-term downward channel right here, and a longer-term downward channel. So we could be seeing a bounce. That's not out of the realm of possibilities. We could be bouncing outside of this resistance, but then it does not mean that we are going to be bullish, because this is still a bear trend. We are still in a big bear trend. So even if we are going bullish right here, It could be just a temporary thing and we do this just like we did here. Huh? We did the same thing here, went high, and then we caved in a lot more. Just keep in mind that if we move back up, we could still having this down move again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link, and I have a bunch of other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.